What's up, everyone? My back patio has been in desperate need of a makeover for some time now, and I don't want to spend a fortune fixing it up. So my brother and I are going to show you how you can do a repair like this at home for less than $100. And by the end of the video, you're going to be amazed by just how good it looks. I'm starting things off by taking a flathead shovel and removing some of this dirt so we can level it out and then compact it. Then using the hose, I sprayed the dirt off of each slab face. That way our product can get a nice solid bond. Trowel to hard trowel it. And you can see we're in the Tampa Bay area. We got hit by a hurricane about a month or two ago, and these were in my garage. My garage got flooded, and you can see they're rusted big time. So these we're not going to use. Just thought it'd be interesting to show you guys that. And then you need a float, a measuring cup. This is what we're going to use as a mixer, a rigid with a mixing blade, a bucket to mix it all up in. So once the dirt was dry enough, I started compacting it with this scrap 2x4 that I had in the bed of my truck. After this process, if you wanted to, you could put a layer of gravel. It all really depends on where you live and what your soil is like. All right, we got it. We're gonna use the high strength concrete mix, which is made by Sackcrete, and you can get it at Home Depot. How much water did you use? Two and a half quarts. It's gonna need a little more on that. What do you need? What do you need, boss?
Just screed it.
Screed it? Screeder.
Scalpel? You gotta say scalpel, Bruce. Bruce's his personality type is one of the on more serious side, you know. Been in charge of rinsing the scalpel slash float off. I'm poor, so I only have one camera. I can only get one angle at a time here, guys, you know? But, you know, subscribe, like, comment, and maybe I can get some more cameras. And to all you that are subscribed, I love every single one of you, all 573 at the time of filming. I love you more than my own brother Bruce, all right? I gotta send you your paycheck. Never mind. Bruce writes my paychecks, so I love him more. But every single comment, it helps, you know?
The last guy said that deleted his YouTube account.
Yeah, we had so the running joke is, his name is, we'll leave his full name out. His name is Blank Carl. And
he's a clown.
He attacked
the wolf pack.
He attacked the wolf on one of my videos, so the wolf pack, they started getting at him, you know? And Blank Carl, he blocked me. He blocked me and my brother Bruce here. So, you know, Wolfpack, I really appreciate you guys having my back. You guys mean the world to me. I love you more than my own brother Zach, my other brother who doesn't write my paychecks. Right, Bruce?
Right on.
And once again, the float is just bringing all that cream to the top. Once again, Bruce's personality is one of the on the serious side. You get a couple small batch bourbons in them. You get a couple small batch bourbons in them, it all changes, right, Bruce?
Later tonight.
Later tonight.
Will you hand me that concrete?
Concrete. Leftover concrete. Concrete, sir.
Alright, that about wraps it up for this video. And there's a couple of more steps you could add depending on what you wanted to do. You could have put some mesh wiring in there. I just wanted to keep it as low budget as possible. There's not a lot of foot traffic, so I know it would be okay. We put the little joint line down the middle, and I think it came out beautiful. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider giving it a like. Please consider subscribing. They both help out a lot. Thank you, and as always, have a great day.